Hi everybody, this is Tina. Welcome to my video, you guys. I had something happen this weekend and I was like, uh-oh, this is a big problem. This month I have been a little bit concerned because I haven't received any orders from customers for Stampin' Up stuff. And I thought it was really crazy because, I wouldn't say I haven't received any. I've only received like two. And I thought it was really weird because we have a brand new catalog and, I'm very excited about it. And I thought this is so weird. Like what's happening? And I put out my class a couple days ago and those usually sell out really fast and it didn't. And I thought this is really weird. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's just a bad month. And so I got up this morning and I received two emails from customers where they were like, can you please check on my order on August 3rd? And can you please check on my order on August 7th? And I was like, I've never received any orders from you. Like I went into my ordering history and I was like, I've never received these orders. And last month I had somebody who placed an order with me and it was a large order. She thought she was placing it with me and she didn't. And so because of that, she didn't get my ordering special, which it was a stamp set. And she got really upset with me. And she placed an order, but the order didn't assign to me. So Stampin' Up! Currently redid their website. We launched a brand new website for when you go to place an order, and that's what you're looking at right now. And I wanted to show you guys the website, and then there's a really key something that you have to do, especially if you shop with multiple demonstrators, which a lot of my customers do. And that's not a bad thing. And it's not an issue at all. But I want to show you the way that this new website works. So when you first log on to stampinup.com, you kind of see this page here. And if you scroll down, there's some, inspiration and you can create with color and you can explore the colors. And they have these kind of blocks of information that if you're wanting to look for some inspiration or a guide to something, you can. And then if you come up here and you click sign in. Now, this is where you would join. You can join Stampin' Up. You can host a workshop. You can create an account right up here, or you can sign in. So when you sign in, your customer sign-in information is going to come up and you're going to sign in, and that's going to take you into where now you have an account and now you can shop product, which over here is where you're going to be able to shop your product. Okay, so any of the things that you're wanting, if you want to get some inks and you want to bundle them, you're just going to click on them and add them to the cart. And then you have your cart here. Your host code is going to go right down here. So if you have a host code that you want to use, you can click here and add that. If you have coupon codes from last month, you can add your coupon codes. That's the other thing is that I haven't seen anybody who had coupon codes that ordered from me last month place an order this month. So they still have those coupon codes and you can use them till the end of August. So you would add your coupon codes here and then you would check out. So up here, before you check out, what you're going to want to do is click on your account settings. And then you're going to click over here where it says demonstrator. And right here, if you're shopping without a demonstrator, it's going to look like this. Now, some of you will have multiple demonstrators that you're shopping with. Before I became a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I shopped with Wendy Cranford. It's who I signed up with. So you may have several here. So even you can click on whichever one you want. However, this is where the problem comes in. Okay. So I think what the website has done is it has just made everybody shopping without a demonstrator. And then you have to choose which demonstrator you want. So if you just went into your account and you placed an order, you may have been not shopping with a demonstrator at all. I think maybe if you've shopped with multiple demonstrators, that could be the problem, where the new system didn't know what you wanted, so it just defaulted to you're not shopping with a demonstrator. You can come down here and you can find a demonstrator by name, or you can find a demonstrator near you. So what you need to do is, see, these are the shopping with previous demonstrators. And then this is Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. You are currently shopping without a demonstrator. If you would like to shop with a demonstrator, select one below. So I select this, and then I need to click this part right here, Shop with Me. Now it will say you're shopping with the person that you have picked. Okay. And then when you go in and you place your order, then I will get credit for that order. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this and mention this, because I think that some of you have placed orders with me and you did not thinking you were ordering with me, and or any demonstrator. I mean, this is just like a public service announcement. For if you are at all shopping with Stampin' Up, regardless of what demonstrator, please make sure that the demonstrator is picked in your account. And then, oops, I didn't mean to do that. And then that way they're getting credit for those orders. And then if you have ordered with me this month, please reach out to me and let me know you've ordered with me, so that I can see if I have credit for that order. And if not, I will contact Stampin' Up! On Monday, and I'm going to fix the customers who reached out to me today. And then I will, reach out to them they'll fix it. And Stampin' Up! Is really great about, helping out. So you can also, in your account here, you can go into orders, and if you've placed any orders, you can click on them, and then you can see what you've ordered in case it's taking a little bit longer to get your order, or you're not sure, or something was on back order. You can click on that. And Stampin' Up! Is now currently up to full capacity in their warehouse. So they were working at 50%. Now they're up to 100%. And so orders are shipping much faster now. And then you can go into your credit card information. I'm sorry for the glare, you guys. I have all my filming stuff set up because I'm filming today, so it's really bright in here. You can double check your address. You can have other addresses that are saved. Communication. So right here, you're going to want to make sure that you click the option where it says, I have the option that's just demonstrator communication. I don't have this clicked, which is promotional offers from Stampin' Up! About new product notifications. This is more like just marketing, and you may not want that, and that's fine, but please make sure that your demonstrator communication is clicked, because if it's not, I don't get even a name attached to an order, so I can't reach out to you. So if ever you're placing an order and you don't hear from me, please contact me so that either we can make sure you have demonstrator communication, that feature set on so you can hear from me, or to make sure that I've received your order. So, and then as always, you'll want to just sign out of your account when you're all finished. And then that way all of your, it's just secure. So anyways, you guys, I just wanted to do this quick video to make sure that you guys knew how the new website was working out. And then to say, if you've placed an order with me this month, please make sure that you reach out to me so that I know that you've done that. And then hopefully me walking you through that new site will help you to know what to do and where things are and how things are located. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, and I will chat with you guys later.